Hello students, welcome to Shoropsa's classes. So in today's video, we'll be solving a few questions from NDA 2018 mathematics paper. So in this question, it is given, that is function of x, it is given, we'll be solving question number 88. It is given which one of the following is differential equation has a periodic solution. So we know x by dt square plus mu x equals to 0 has a periodic solution. Because why? Because x equals to, if you take it be cos mu t, this is periodic. So as this is periodic, we can state that this has a solution. So for question number 88, we can say the right answer would be option A. So for question number 88, the right answer would be option A. Now we'll go to question number 89. So in question number 89, it is given what is the period of function fx equals to sin x. So what is the period of function fx equals to sin x? So for this, we know the right answer for this question would be option D, that is 2 pi. So the right answer would be 2 pi. So I hope you guys have understood this. Now we'll go to the next question. So now we'll go to question number 90. So in question number 90, it is given what is integration dx by 2 to the power x minus 1 equal to. So we have this 4 options, as you can see, out of which we have to find out the right answer for this question. So we know for question number 90, the question is given as dx by integration dx by 2 to the power x minus 1. So now let y equals to 2 to the power x minus 1 and dy equals to 2 to the power x log 2 dx. Now we further can do it as equals to y plus 1 log 2 dx equals to dy by y plus 1 log 2. Now it will be equals to dy by y plus 1 log 2 equals to dy by y square by plus y log 2 equals to 1 by log 2 integration dy plus half divided by y plus half whole square minus half whole square. Now we can further say this will be equals to 1 by log 2. From here we can simply (1 by 2 into half log y plus half minus half divided by y plus half plus half plus c. Here we know c is constant. So here we know c is constant. Now we can further solve it. It will be equals to 1 by log 2 log y by y plus 1 plus c, which is equals to 1 by log 2 log 2 log, we can simply put the value of y, which is 2 to the power x minus 1 and it will be 2 to the power x because plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled out. So now we can write as 1 by 1 minus 2 to the power minus 6 is greater than 0. So we have found the value to be like this. Now we'll refer to the question. So from the question, if you look into the question, we'll find the option B would be the right answer. So I hope you guys have understood the question. If you still have any query or doubt regarding this question, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showupsearchclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day ahead.